Now we can discuss about productive things in your free time. That is part 10. What are the productive things in your free time? What is the free time? Free time is your weekend, that is Saturday or Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, otherwise in holidays, otherwise in your vacation timings also, your free time will be there, certain timings. So how to utilize those free timings with productivity? That means you suppose if in free time, if you are in home, means toss out your expired products. That expired products means you may purchase some medicines. You utilize 5 to 10 drugs, medicines, and your disease will be cleared, and remaining 5 or 6 tablets will be there. Already it is 2 years over, it is expired. That time toss out your expired products. That is the most important thing. And unused products, coolers, and sometimes some items, cleaning items, already it is drying out and it is damaged. By cleaning time, cleaning or brushing time and all these things, any waste products are there. Waste means it is already used products are there, means toss out your expired products. Then if it will become a free of your life, and your mind will be cleaned very well. So toss out your expired products comfortably in your free time, then it is a very good prosperity to your future life. And another important thing in your free time you can do is clean your windows. Windows will be okay. While sleeping, you can close it, and you can, the daytime you will open it. But directly or indirectly, some dust will be there on windows. So with good nowadays microfiber cloths are coming. It will clean and extract dust very well. So use your one microfiber cloth and clean your windows in your free time. That means holidays or weekends or whatever it may be. By cleaning your windows, dust will not come. By that, you will not get the cough, and you will be healthy. So this will increase your health and prosperity also. So clean your windows, and then clean your doors. So doors means suppose you are having a home, it may be rental home or own home also. Doors cleaning is also most important. That is also with microfiber cloth only. Basic cleaning if you do, the dust will be removed and you will be comfortable with good health. That is I am saying. Likewise, cleaning things, so many will be there. Dear friends, I am also preparing the notes to explain you without missing the option. So that is the thing. And cleaning your rooms also. Cleaning your rooms also. Rooms means your reading room and bedroom and all this. All things need not be done by your wife only. She will that means that time she may go for she is also doing the job, means so she may not get the time to to free time. That time cleaning your rooms also. But uh, already you may have workers in your home. They will do on the open ground only. They will clean and they will go well. But certain things are there, down to the your cabinet and down to your furniture. Certain dust will be there. These are also not removed. So much of dust will be will be prepared by that. So that once if you take one room, not all rooms, take one room and clean with washing, clean your that is what will be there is cleaning utensils will be there. By that, if you clean your under furniture, under cabinets, and under bedroom beds, all these things, if you clean well, means it is very it will give a very good comfort to you. And it is otherwise dust will come, and mosquitoes also will come, and some other insects also will come. By that it is a danger to you also. So that if you clean all these things, cleaning your rooms also most important to you. But it's not one day. One day all rooms you cannot clear. Just like a worker clean all things, all rooms once means it is very tiring thing to you. So you will have one day, one Sunday to you, one Saturday or holiday is there. That time you clean one room, and in next week you will get one holiday, one weekend. That time you clean another room. Likewise, you can have very good time, and you can, it will not give any boring to you, and you can clean well, and you will be comfortable. So likewise, if you are doing cleaning your rooms also will give a good health to you. That is the information I want to share with you regarding productive things in your free time you can do. Wishing you all the best.